Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Adobe Fonts for offline use, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Adobe Fonts website. Log into your Adobe account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the fonts you want to back up. You can browse by categories, or use the search function to find a specific font. When you find a font you like, click on it to view its details. On the font page, look for the Activate Font button and click it. This action will add the font to your Adobe Creative Cloud account. Now, open the Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. In the Creative Cloud app, navigate to the Fonts section on the left sidebar. You'll see all the fonts you've activated from Adobe Fonts. To download a font for offline use, find the font in the list. Click on the three dots next to the font name to reveal additional options. Select Download from the drop-down menu. The font file will be downloaded to your computer, typically in a zip format. Locate the downloaded zip file in your Downloads folder. Extract the contents of the zip file by right-clicking and choosing Extract All. Once extracted, you will see font files in formats like OTF or TTF. To install the fonts on your system, double-click each font file. This action will open a preview window. Click the Install button in the preview window to add the font to your operating system. Repeat this installation process for all the font files you want to use offline. After installation, the fonts will be available in your design software. Now you can use your Adobe Fonts even without an internet connection. Regularly check for any updates to the fonts through the Adobe Creative Cloud app. This ensures you have the latest versions installed on your system. Back up your fonts periodically to avoid losing any customizations or preferences. Consider organizing your fonts into folders for easier access in the future. With these steps, you can successfully back up and use your Adobe Fonts offline. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.